Myself Vaishnavi, studying in 7th class. Today we are discussing the topic of math simple tricks. Firstly, we will discuss the multiplication. In this we will discuss multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. We will discuss first the multiplication. Come on. This is in the straight form. 12 6 and 8 14 means 14 8 12 6 72. 14 8 112. This can be cancelled. For better understanding, I will do here. 72. 2 3s are 6. Here 2, 1. 2 6 are 12 and 0. 72 can be cancelled in two tables is 36. 36 2s are 72 and 112. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. 56 2s are 112. 36 and here 56. This can be cancelled by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. And here 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. And this can be cancelled by 2. 2 9s are 2 14s are. And this is the answer for this sum. What is that? 9 by 14 is the answer. And our second one is addition. 7 by 13 plus 16 by 19. But in this we should do LCM. In addition and subtraction we should do LCM. Then we will do for the denominators. For two denominators we should do multiply. But when it is two odd numbers or one even number and one odd number means we should do LCM. Means multiplication. No means LCM in like this method. In this method, two even numbers means in this method we should do. One even and one odd or two odd we should do multiplication. Okay, we will do for this. 39 is 117. LCM is 117. In this, means the numerators are there now. In this 117, when it will come, we should see. 7 by 13 into 9 by 9. 117. 7 9s are 63. 117 will come in 13 table is 7 now. That's why. And for this we will do 16 by 9 into 13 by 13. Let's do 117. We will do 16 into 13. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3 and plus 1 4. 1 6 are 6. 1 1s are 1. 10 208. And we should add these two numerators. Is equals to 63 by 117 plus 208 by 117 is the values. When the denominators are same, we can add the numerators. But different denominators means we should do the LCM. Is equals to 63 plus 208 by 117. Let us do. 11 7 271. I will do here 117. And this is the answer. But in this we will get the answer in points wise. Let us do. By 2 we will check the 117. 2 5s are 10. 1 7 here. And 2 8s are 16. 1. We will keep the point means 0. 2 5s are 10 and 0. It can be cancelled by 58.5. Now the 271 we will do. 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 0 here 7. 2 3s are 6. 1 1. 2 5s are 10. 1 and here point 0. 2 5s are 10. Here is 0. 135.5. Now the answer I will write here. The answer is 135.5 by 58.5. This is the final answer. And our third one is subtraction. Let us do. What is here? Denominators are different. What I told you? For addition and subtraction, we should do LCM. When the denominators are both are odd or one even and one odd. Okay, come on. 19 and 4. Means we should multiply that. This is an odd number and this is an even number. What we will get? 76 we will get. Then we should check. 18 by 19 into 4 by 4 is equals to 32 by 76. And here 12 by 4 into 19 by 19 is equals to 12 4 to 76. We will do this. 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10. 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. 8 2 228. 228 by 76. 228 by 76. The denominators are same. Then we will add this. 32 plus 228 by 76 is equals to. Let us add. We will get 10. 5 6 260 by 76. 2 1s are 2. 2 30s are and 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 and here 1 we will get. Then 2 8s are 16. 38s are. Let us do this will cancel or not. Nineteens it will cancel, yes. But 130 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10. 19 by means 65 by 19. This is the final answer for this. 65 by 19. And our fourth one is division. It is not simple as like this. It is difficult. Means so much is difficult. 9 by 16 divided by 3 by 12. In this division, we should use the reciprocal process. What is reciprocal process? Reciprocal process means if there is a division symbol, then it should be changed into multiplication symbol. Means into. When we change into, see for example, here 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2 is there. Then we should reverse that. How we can reverse that? Wait. Into is there now. Then 2 by 3 into, we should reverse this one. Means like this. 2 by 3. 4 by 9. In this process, we should do the divisions. Let us do in this process only this sum. 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is there. Reciprocal means we should change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then this right side digits change it into like this. Then 12 by 3. 12 by 3. This can be cancelled. 2 6s are, 2 8s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are. We cannot cancel by side. In division we can cancel. 3 3s are 9, 4 1s are 4. This in this form we can change into the mixed form. Let us do that. 4 by means 4 divided by 9. In this process, how we can change into mixed form? I will tell you. What is the meaning of mixed form? What is the mixed form? We will discuss in the next video. 4 2s are 8. 1 here. This is the answer. This is the mixed form. The quotient is side, then the denominator is down only, and the numerator is upwards. Here the quotient, this is a quotient, this is the divisor, this is the remainder. This is a quotient. Quotient is in the side and this is the divisor. Divisor is in the denominator and the remainder is in the numerator place. This is into mixed form. Then what is this answer? 1 by 4 is the answer of this. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand this and please subscribe and share this video to your friends and classmates.